Hello. Okay, let me show you how you can update the pivot table and the filters. When you click on this report, so you can see uh, now per week the earning, the cost, and the net profit. So when you click on that, you can expand and collapse this report, and here you have the totals in the month of February for the first quarter and for the year. What you have to do, if your rows increased more than this, so you should manually update that. From this project management sheet I have created this pivot. So until now you have a lot of rows remaining, but if it is increased more than this rows, then you will just manually update like 3000. You will type it here. That's it. And for the filters, here we go. There is filters to avoid false and blank rows to add into this report. I apply filter. So if I remove the filter and select all items, then you will not have the problem to see the quarter 3 and quarter 4 uh, in the future, but still you will have the empty rows and these things will be there. So if you want to apply it, it's up to you. uh, then just remove the false and blank. This is applied on quarterly column, so uh, it will just remove the unnecessary records, right? So it's up to you. And later on, if you didn't see the quarter 3 and quarter 4, so you will just it will be there, just you have to select that. That's it. This is the whole process. And here is your pie chart. It will be auto updated. You have nothing to do with it. Here is the values I have calculated. It's hidden. So try to not remove this G to H records here. It's hidden, you can't see it, but actually the pie chart is working with this uh, cells. Okay, right? I have applied, I think, protection. Let me protect it. Okay, I have already done that. So I will remove this one once is okay. Okay, so I have already protected these cells. Maybe only if you have access to edit that, I will again share with you the edit link, and then you can ask me for the to transfer the ownership also. Thank you so much. If you have any problem, then you can ask me directly.